Hi guys, in this video Microsoft is changing how you sign in. In February, you'll stay signed in by default across all devices. This can be a big security risk if you're not careful. Timestamps are in the description if you want to skip to the fix. Let's break it down. Microsoft is removing the stay signed in prompt. You can see on the screen. If you log in on any device, like a library computer or a friend's laptop, you'll stay signed in unless you manually log out. For tech-savvy users, this might not be a big deal, but for beginners or elderly relatives, this could be a serious security risk. If they forget to log out, the next person could access their account, including emails, OneDrive, and all their personal data. So if you help someone with their tech, go warn them to sign out, or even better, share this video with them so they can learn how to stay safe. Here's what you can do to protect yourself and others. I'll leave a shortcut in the description. First things first, use private browsing, incognito mode, when signing in on shared devices. This won't store your signing in details on that device. So on Chrome, this is what I've got open here. You can see that by the little line underneath Chrome at the bottom here. Just press Control, Shift, and N for November. This will bring up the private window in Chrome. In Edge, open up Edge at the bottom here. Same again. Control, Shift, and N brings up an Edge private window. If you're using Firefox, a little bit different on this one. You have to use Control, Shift, and P on this one for private. You should get this window. And then finally on Safari, if you're on a Mac, I'll just install the Windows version just to show you what I can do. There's a couple of ways to do it on here. Normally, if you've got the up-to-date version of Safari, you click File, and you click New Private Window or Edit, and then just check the box for private browsing. And then say, OK. And at the end, you can see it says Private here. OK, let's close these boxes down. Close that one. And that one. Next thing you can do is manually sign out. I'll show you where that is. So I'll just click No to this box. It takes you to your email inbox. In the top right hand corner, you click on your initials. And then you click on Sign Out here. Make sure you do that every single time you sign in anywhere. So say if you've left a PC and you're like, oh no, I forgot to sign out. You can use Microsoft Sign Out everywhere. So I'll leave the link to this in the description. I'll just copy and paste it here for now. This is how to sign out of everywhere, but be warned, this will sign you out of every single device except your Xbox. Second warning is, as you can see here, even if you do the sign out everywhere, it can take up to 24 hours to take effect. So basically your account is open to hackers and anybody else who sits at that machine. So this is why this video is so important to get out there and just warn people, make sure you sign out, make sure your relatives sign out as well. So make sure on the computer you also clear the cache and the cookies to remove any sign-in data. If you use the public computer, just simply press Control, Shift, and Delete. And then this will pop up, and then you change it to all time, and then click on Delete Data, and that's it. This change is meant to make signing easier, but comes with risks. Avoid logging onto shared devices, or at the very least, sign out properly. If you know someone who might not understand this, like a beginner or an elderly relative, go warn them and share this video with them so they don't get caught out. If this was helpful, hit the like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments. Is this change a big deal or not? I'll see you on the next one.